everyone, welcome back to my channel, Nelia Creasey. Guys, our video for today, I'm going to make a very simple flatbread for lunch. So I have here, sorry guys, it's thundered. I have here 2 cups of flour, and then 100 ml water, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, put that in the water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, mix into the flour, about 2 pinch of salt. We'll wait for the yeast, mix into the flour, mix. Mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil before kneading the dough. 1 tablespoon. And then use clean hands to knead the dough. I'm going to set this aside first for 1 hour. Cover with cloth. Set aside for 1 hour. Ito na siya guys. My dough. Ready to make the flatbread. I'm going to knead it again and set aside for another 30 minutes. Tamang-tama. It's going to be lunch. I'm going to set aside more for 30 minutes. Then it's ready to make the flatbread. Then, put this in the pan. Very hot frying pan. Without oil. Ito na siya guys. Here it is. You can put cheese inside. Like that. Look. You can put cheese inside. Any kind of cheese. Quick melt. It's okay. Oh. Or you can eat like this, plain. Eat with curry. Very easy to make, guys. Going to put this back into the pan for the cheese melt. Here it is, guys. My very simple flatbread. I put cheese inside. There's also plain. And you can eat this with any curry or soup. Thank you for watching. Bye!